Okay, now I'm going to show you how to draw different atoms, elements, molecules, and compounds. So I'm going to use each color to represent a different one. So purple is going to be my hydrogen, yellow is going to be my oxygen, nitrogen is going to be blue, helium is orange, and my carbon is red. So if I look at my first one, H2O2, that means I need two H's. So I'm going to draw two circles that are H's, and I need two O's. Now, there's something wrong with this picture. The thing is that this is a compound. So these need to be chemically bonded together. Now, in chemistry, these have to be bonded together in a specific way, but in 6th grade, we're just going to show bonding by connecting them with lines. So this would show that this is my compound H2O2. Going on to the next one, N2, so I'm going to use my blue, and I'm going to draw two atoms of nitrogen, and I'm going to, of course, bond them together again because this is a molecule of nitrogen. My next one is N, O, N being my blue, and O being my yellow. One of each, and again, I need to bond them together. And my last one is helium, and it's just an atom or an element of helium all by itself. And because it is an element, it does not need a bond. So what I want you to do is try these below, making sure you use the appropriate color for each atom.